12 kW. Small heating equipment is made up of semiconductor, high-frequency output transformer, molding, and water cooling device. IGBT, MOSFET oscillating is used, which features a smaller size, lighter weight, and easy operation. The equipment is good for low power quenching and annealing welding. SP30kW has a big power output, but is small in size, lightweight, and very easy to operate. It reduces investment costs remarkably. SP30kW for golf club head heating. SP30kW for gear heating.